Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to transfer money in Alipay using Alipay payment QR code. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Alipay. I'm going to click on here now to open my Alipay. After you open up your Alipay, next thing you want to do is to click on scan right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on album. Then select the Alipay payment code. Having selected Alipay payment code, click on done. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. Hit on confirm. Proceed with your payment authorization code. Payment done successful. Finally, I'm going to make a screenshot of this payment right here. Having made a screenshot, next thing I'm going to do is to click on done right here. I'll go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to send money to their Alipay. I'm going to exit from my Alipay right here and go ahead to open up my WhatsApp. So here is the person that asked me to pay for them. Then I'll click on here, select the proof of payment, and say payment sent. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, whether on Alipay or on WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.